Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Masech Shevuos Perek Gimel Mishna Dalet Shevuos Shalei Oichel. If someone makes a shvua that he won't eat, va'achal oichlin she'ena ruyan la'achila, v'shasa maskin she'ena ruyan l'shtiya, and then he eats or drinks a food that's not roi la'achila or shtiya, pater, he's pater. But if he says Shevuos Shalei Oichel va'achal navelis u'treifis shkatzim v'ramatzim, he eats dvarim masurim, then it's machlekes. The Tanna Kama says chayiv, and Reb Shimon says pater. The Gemara asks, what's the pshat? Mishna Reisha the pater. How come in the Reisha you're pater, and in the Seifa Mishna Seifa the chayiv, like the Tanna Kama you're chayiv? So the Gemara, the Maskana comes out because in the Reisha it's talking about Oichlin Shein Ruyan Lachila v'Shasa Mashkin Shein Ruyan L'Shtiya is talking about offer, something that's totally not Roy Lachila. Mashen came the Seifa where it's Dvar Masurim be'etzim it's Roy Lachila. Lashon Rashi is, but it's Aryehu de Ravi Aleh. There's only like a lion not allowing you to eat him. The Isser Torah is saying that you can't eat it. But since be'etzim it's Roi La'achila, so therefore, according to the Tanna Kama, you're going to be chayiv. The Gemara asks a different kasha, why you chayiv? It's mushba v'oimed mehar Sinai, because you're not allowed to eat shkasim v'ramatzim, so the shvua shouldn't be chal. So the Gemara says two terutzim. Either it's talking about that he's koilel Dvarim Mutarim with the Dvarim Musarim, and the Tanna Kama held b'chiyah gavna, we say migu dechayla shvua ashchutas, let's say chayla nami atrefus, because they hold that iser schal iser by iser koilel, and Reb Shimon l'shitase holds that ein iser chal iser by iser koilel, and therefore Reb Shimon says that you're pater. The other pshat in the Gemara is that the reason why there's not a problem with mushba v'oim marasina is because we're talking about that it was less than the shear, so there was no iser Torah, and Reb Shimon l'shitase holds that the Isser is Kol Yisun Shabbat Torah is B'Kol Shehu. The Mishnah ends off Omar Koinim Ishti Nenesli Imachalti Hayoim. If he makes a neder that his wife he can't have enough from him like a Koinim. If I ate today and he ate Nevelish Treifah Shkatzim V'Ramatzim, so even according to Reb Shimon that said that you were pater in the Reisha, in the beginning of the Mishnah, but over here, at the end of the day, he ate oichlin. Just in the Reisha, the pshat was because it wasn't b'nei achila, it was because the shvu is not chal. But over here, that it's not tali on that, it's just tali on whether it's something that's roy lachila, and it is roy lachila. So then, harei ishtay asura, that's why his wife will be asar on him. Mishnah hey, echad, Dvarim shel atzmai ve'echad dvarim shel acherim. The Mishnah is talking about the Shevuos bitoy is sai, whether it affects him, ve'echad dvarim shel acherim, whether relative to other people. And the Mishnah will shortly give an example. Ve'echad dvarim sheish be'em mamish, ve'echad dvarim she'im be'em mamish. And on that also the Mishnah is going to give an example. Ketzad, what's the example of dvarim shel acherim? Omar Shvua she'etein le'ishpoinei oy shelo yatein she'nesati oy shelo nesati. If someone makes a shvua that I will give something to someone, or that I won't give, or that I gave, or that I didn't give, so that's a shvua that's dvarim shel acherim. Now the Mishnah says examples of shvua she'ein be'em mamish. So there's two different examples. The first one is sleeping. She'ishem v'shelo yishen she'yishanti shel yishanti, that I will sleep, that I will not sleep, that I slept, or that I didn't sleep. And over here, the Gemara says we're talking about a sleep that's possible. It's possible not to sleep for 3 days. But if it's more than that, then it wouldn't be called a Shevuos bidik. It's impossible. Then it's a Shevuos shav. And the other example of ein be'em mamish is something that you're not getting hana from. Like she'ezrik tzor liyam, or shalei ezrik she'zerakti, I will throw a rock into the sea, or that I won't throw it, or that I threw it, or that I didn't throw it. So the Tanna Kama, as in all these examples, has a chiyuv of sai la'asadava and sai la'avar, l'shalavar. Rabbi Shmuel Omer ein chayiv ela asadava shenemer lahara aleitiv. The pasuk's talking about ahasadava, the future only. If you're going to look at the pasuk literally and say it's dafka the future because it says lahara laheitav the future, so then look at the pasuk literally legamri that it's dafka things that are bad and good lahara laheitav, but other things would not be. You wouldn't be over the iser of Shevuos bitay. Amaloi, so Rabbi Shmuel responded, Me ribui hakasev, because there's a klal proud of klal, and the Gemara explains that it's klal proud of klal. It's a klal proud of klal that tells me that it has to be something dafka dumya to lahar le'etev, which is the future, but it doesn't have to be specifically dvarim sheish behem ra v'hatava, because the klal is kailulit. Amaloi, so Rabbi Kiva said, Im riba hakasav lekach, riba hakasav lekach. It's not a klal proud of klal. The Gemara explains that Rabbi Kiva is saying darshan's riba yumiyah v'riba, and therefore it's riba hakol, sai l'asalavai, and sai l'sha'avar, and it's only mayat one thing. My miyat, the Gemara says, is miyat dvar mitzvah, that by a dvar mitzvah you wouldn't be over Shevuos bitay.